All right, I thought I'd share a little tidbit of information on how to remove the trim that lines the top of the car. Same around the windshield and on the door right here. I haven't figured out how to get this off. I've read in a couple of or forum posts that I looked up that some people had an issue with it leaking and having to replace the seal that goes around here, but no one actually said how to remove the trim, and that's basically where I'm stuck. How to remove that trim, and also how to remove this from around the rear windshield. I got the one at the bottom, and I know these things slide off, which I did. I separated it, but I'm trying to push it up, but I don't know. Maybe I just have to push really, really hard. But about these trims, to get these off, you just pull directly up. It's that simple. At first I thought like, oh, because it has these little things for a roof rack, it might be difficult. But yeah, you just pull straight up, the trim comes straight off as you go along. Once you get it up, I pulled up with a pry tool that I got from Harbor Freight. Once you get along, keep going along, you'll get to this part. You have to pull like up this way. I didn't immediately do that, and I sheared a couple of them off. I can still reuse them, pull it off, and just, if you look here, there's rivet holes, so just rivet them back in. But yeah, you just pull them straight up. Same thing with this, the trim that goes along the roof line and the glass, pull it straight up. On here, the one that goes along the door, again straight up. It'd be easier if you remove your windscreen. Oh, what the hell, windscreen? Really? Your side of your mirror, and just pull the whole entire trim off. But yeah, I got everything off except for the one around the rear glass and this work right here, which I'm gonna have to try and figure out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll try and make more videos of random stuff that I notice while repairing these things. Peace.